Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Vianey, and this is going to be a DIY from Eyelashes on how to apply strip eyelashes. I have a trick on how to do that a little bit easier and more comfortable. So if you would like to see that, stay tuned. So I did my makeup, everything's good to go. I'm going to go ahead and, so I don't have any mascara on yet, but I did curl my eyelashes. I'm going to re-curl them one more time, but I just want to show you, you're just going to grab your regular strip lashes and we're going to cut them into 3. Okay, so you're going to cut it right at the tip. That's one piece. The other 2 pieces, and I like them pretty big pieces, so. Okay, we have all 3 pieces now. So when you're going to glue your strip eyelash, towards the one that's going to go towards the outer corner, you're going to glue the top of the strip, not the bottom. This is how you're going to apply it. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes. So I just use the back of my hand to like set it down and maneuver it. So right here I'm just pinching my real lashes to the strip eyelashes, that way that can adhere better. That's how it should look. There's like a little sticky strap on that. I'm just going to take off that. Just going to let that. And then I'm just going to hold it up with your finger. And you're going to clamp it with your eyelashes. I don't touch it for a quick second so that way I can dry, but I do press it upwards. And then I clamp it together. Try to wait as long as possible, because sometimes the glue sticks to the tweezers. So now that it's dried up a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and curl them very gently. That's how it's looking. Now I'm going to be starting on my right eye, but it's going to be on your left. So they're all ready and applied. I'm just gonna curl them upwards just to make sure that they stick to my real eyelashes. Okay, so I think I already did this side, but I'm gonna do it again. Okay, so this is how they look without any mascara, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara now. Yeah, so this is how they look with mascara. I haven't added eyeliner. I really don't like to use eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, when I'm wearing eyelashes. Just I think it's overkill for my taste. But this is how they look. These are strip eyelashes. They're obviously temporary. They're gonna last me the whole day. But this way I don't feel them. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out, but I just want to give you a quick look. So this is how my eyelash extensions end up looking with mascara. I didn't add any eyeliner. So it's just, this is how it looks with mascara, and they look pretty natural. I mean, they look long, but they're pretty natural looking. I just believe that it's a lot easier for me to apply the eyelashes in 3 separate places. Sometimes I do it in 2, but I prefer 3 just because it looks more natural on the curvature. But this is how they look when you cut them in 3, and it's still just a strip eyelash. It's just strip eyelash is just the form that I did it. I did it underneath my eyelashes. Eyelash strips. This is how I apply them, and I don't feel them. They're super comfortable, especially once you do end up doing you apply them and you make sure they're clamped in with your eyelash curler one more time, and you softly do it, and then just make sure that it's like glued to my eyelashes, and they last all day. I sometimes forget that I have them on, and I'll like rub my eyes, and I mean they'll last for a while. But so this is how I apply my eyelashes, and I hope you like it. Also, if you have any questions, I'd be more than happy to help you. Go ahead and comment. I also have my email there. I'll go ahead and link it. But yeah, so I hope it works out.